facts about latitudes and longitudes. General facts about latitudes and longitudes. 1. Latitudes and longitudes are a coordinate system used to pinpoint any location on Earth. 2. Latitudes run east-west, parallel to the equator. 3. Longitudes run north-south, converging at the poles. 4. Both are measured in degrees, minutes, and seconds. 5. The equator is at 0 degrees latitude. 6. The prime meridian is at 0 degrees longitude. 7. The North Pole is at 90 degrees north latitude. 8. The South Pole is at 90 degrees south latitude. 9. A latitude line is also called a parallel. 10. A longitude line is also called a meridian. Facts about latitudes. 11. Latitudes are used to determine the distance north or south of the equator. 12. Latitudes are numbered from 0 degrees at the equator to 90 degrees at the poles. 13. The Tropic of Cancer is at 23.5 degrees north latitude. 14. The Tropic of Capricorn is at 23.5 degrees south latitude. 15. The Arctic Circle is at 66.5 degrees north latitude. 16. The Antarctic Circle is at 66.5 degrees south latitude. 17. Latitudes help determine climate zones. 18. Places with higher latitudes experience longer days and shorter nights in summer. 19. Places with higher latitudes experience shorter days and longer nights in winter. 20. The Earth's tilt on its axis causes the variation in day length at different latitudes. Facts about longitudes. 21. Longitudes are used to determine the distance east or west of the prime meridian. 22. Longitudes are numbered from 0 degrees at the prime meridian to 180 degrees east or west. 23. The international dateline is roughly 180 degrees longitude. 24. Longitudes are used to calculate time zones. 25. Each time zone is approximately 15 degrees of longitude wide. 26. The Earth rotates 360 degrees in 24 hours, so each hour is equivalent to 15 degrees of longitude. 27. Longitudes can help determine the direction of sunrise and sunset. 28. Longitudes are used in navigation to plot courses and determine locations. 29. The prime meridian passes through Greenwich, England. 30. The international dateline follows a zigzag pattern to avoid land masses. Historical facts. 31. The ancient Greeks, such as Eratosthenes, were among the first to map the Earth using latitude and longitude. 32. The concept of latitude and longitude was further developed by Islamic astronomers during the Middle Ages. 33. Christopher Columbus used latitude and longitude to navigate his voyages to the New World. 34. The invention of the sextant in the 18th century made it easier to determine latitude at sea. 35. The chronometer, invented in the 18th century, made it possible to determine longitude accurately at sea. Modern uses. 36. GPS, Global Positioning System, uses latitude and longitude to determine precise locations. 37. Geographic Information Systems, GIS, use latitude and longitude to analyze spatial data. 38. Weather maps use latitude and longitude to track storms and weather patterns. 39. Navigation apps like Google Maps use latitude and longitude to provide directions. 40. Scientists use latitude and longitude to study Earth's climate, geology, and other natural phenomena. Additional facts. 41. The distance between 2 points on a latitude line is constant. 42. The distance between 2 points on a longitude line varies depending on their latitude. 43. The shortest distance between 2 points on Earth is a great circle, which is a circle that passes through the center of the Earth. 44. The equator is the longest latitude line. 45. The prime meridian is the longest longitude line. 46. The Earth is not a perfect sphere, but an oblate spheroid, which means it is slightly flattened at the poles and bulges at the equator. 47. The Earth's rotation causes the Coriolis effect, which affects the direction of winds and ocean currents. 48. The tilt of the Earth's axis causes the seasons. 49. The Earth's magnetic field is not aligned with the geographic poles. 50. The magnetic North Pole is constantly moving. More facts about latitudes and longitudes. 51 to 100 facts about latitudes and longitudes. Specific locations. 51. The International Space Station orbits Earth at an altitude of approximately 400 kilometers, 250 miles, meaning it is not tied to a specific latitude or longitude. However, it passes over various latitudes and longitudes throughout its orbit. 52. The Mariana Trench, the deepest point in the ocean, is located at approximately 11 degrees 21 N latitude and 142 degrees 12 E longitude. 53. The North Pole is at 90 degrees north latitude and 0 degrees longitude. 54. The South Pole is at 90 degrees south latitude and 0 degrees longitude. 55. The Great Wall of China, one of the longest man-made structures, stretches across a wide range of latitudes, from approximately 39 degrees north to 42 degrees north. 56. The Amazon rainforest, the largest rainforest in the world, is primarily located in South America, spanning a wide range of latitudes and longitudes. 57. The Sahara Desert, the largest desert in the world, is located in North Africa, spanning a wide range of latitudes and longitudes. 58. The Rocky Mountains, a major mountain range in North America, are primarily located in the western United States and Canada, spanning a wide range of latitudes and longitudes. 59. The Himalayas, the highest mountain range in the world, are primarily located in Asia, spanning a wide range of latitudes and longitudes. 60. The Alps, a major mountain range in Europe, are primarily located in Central Europe, spanning a wide range of latitudes and longitudes. Cultural and historical significance. 61. The Prime Meridian passes through Greenwich, England, which has made the city a significant hub for timekeeping and navigation. 62. The International Date Line follows a zigzag pattern to avoid landmasses, which can create confusion in determining the day of the week in certain locations. 63. The Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn mark the northern and southern limits of the sun's direct rays, respectively, which have cultural and religious significance in many societies. 64. The Arctic Circle and the Antarctic Circle mark the northern and southern limits of the polar night, respectively, which have cultural and historical significance for indigenous peoples in these regions. 65. The equator, as the dividing line between the northern and southern hemispheres, has cultural and symbolic significance in many societies. 66. The latitude and longitude of a place can be used to determine its time zone, which has significant cultural and social implications. 67. The latitude and longitude of a place can also be used to determine its climate, which has significant cultural and historical implications for human settlement and development. 68. The latitude and longitude of a place can be used to determine its cultural region, which can influence its language, customs, and traditions. 69. The latitude and longitude of a place can be used to determine its political region, which can influence its government, laws, and policies. 70. The latitude and longitude of a place can be used to determine its historical significance, as many important events have occurred at specific locations on Earth. Additional facts. 71 to 100 facts about latitudes and longitudes. Applications in various fields. 71. In astronomy, latitude and longitude are used to track the positions of celestial bodies, such as stars, planets, and galaxies. 72. In geology, latitude and longitude are used to map geological features, such as mountains, volcanoes, and fault lines. 73. In oceanography, latitude and longitude are used to study ocean currents, tides, and marine ecosystems. 74. In meteorology, latitude and longitude are used to track weather patterns, predict storms, and monitor climate change. 75. In navigation, latitude and longitude are used to determine the location of ships, aircraft, and other vehicles. 76. In surveying, latitude and longitude are used to measure the size and shape of land parcels. 77. In urban planning, latitude and longitude are used to design and develop cities and infrastructure. 78. In agriculture, latitude and longitude are used to monitor crop growth, manage irrigation systems, and assess soil quality. 79. In environmental science, latitude and longitude are used to study ecosystems, biodiversity, and pollution. 80. In archaeology, latitude and longitude are used to locate and map ancient sites and artifacts. Challenges and limitations. 81. In remote or mountainous regions, it can be difficult to determine latitude and longitude accurately due to lack of GPS coverage or other navigational aids. 82. Latitude and longitude do not account for the Earth's curvature, which can lead to inaccuracies in distance and direction calculations, especially over long distances. 83. Latitude and longitude do not account for the Earth's magnetic field, which can interfere with compass readings and navigation. 84. Latitude and longitude do not account for the Earth's rotation, which can affect the direction of objects moving over long distances. 85. Latitude and longitude do not account for the Earth's tilt on its axis, which can affect the length of day and night and the angle of sunlight. 86. Latitude and longitude can be affected by local variations in gravity and the Earth's shape, which can lead to inaccuracies in location determinations. 87. Latitude and longitude can be affected by atmospheric conditions, such as temperature, pressure, and humidity, which can interfere with GPS signals. 88. Latitude and longitude can be affected by human activities, such as deforestation, urbanization, and pollution, which can alter the Earth's surface and climate. 89. Latitude and longitude can be affected by natural disasters, such as earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions, which can change the Earth's topography and landscape. 90. Latitude and longitude can be affected by technological limitations, such as the accuracy and precision of GPS devices and mapping software.